Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we are going to have a quick unboxing slash unwrapping of this newest item that I got recently from my local store. And it is, as you can see, a Coach handbag. I don't really have a lot of Coach in my collection, but this one is, I don't think it's necessarily a new release. However, I just found out about it like recently, and when I saw this one in this particular color, I really wanted to get it. So this one is actually from Macy's, and it's from Coach, but I got it from Macy's. And the reason why I went ahead and get it is they were having like a pre-sale last week, and normally Coach don't go on sale. And so when I was trying it on, I really liked it. And then the sales associate was like, oh yeah, by the way, we're having a pre-sale where you can get 30% off of items that you buy today. However, you can't pick them up at until a certain day. So I was like, that's fine, I'll go ahead and do it. I'm not in a hurry to actually purchase a new bag, but if I can get them for a better deal, why not, right? So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Right, so unfortunately it didn't come in a box, but it's okay since it is new. As you can see, still wrapped in its plastic, and it's got all the foam packaging. Very different from when you unbox something from one of the luxury fashion houses, I guess, because when you get those, they're already all unwrapped. Let me put this away. Okay, so as you can see, it is the Coach Bandit in the crossbody size. So this is the smaller size. They have two sizes. They have the big one and the small one. Let's see if I can get this off. It's like wrapped really nicely. And so you have to just kind of take your time and take it off.
Constructed. Stay tuned.
Bandit Crossbody in the leather silver gray blue color, and so it's got that gray blue color, but then the hardware is the silver hardware throughout, and it comes with this. Basically, this attaches to the side. You can take it off if you want to. You don't have to have it on. I know some people do take it out. I think I'm gonna wear it with it just to kind of see how it feels. I normally don't like taking things out of the purse unless it's more irritating than anything else. But yes, that's what it looks like. I'll fix that later. But it's just a one crossbody. It's adjustable. You can adjust the length I need to reposition the belt later. But yes, the size of this one, or the dimensions at least, I'm just gonna read off of the website for now. Basically, the length is 7 inches, so it's 7 across. Height is 4.25, and the width is 2.5. And when you open inside, you can actually see that very nice tan brown color. It comes with 1, 2, 3 compartments inside, and of course this nice pouch right here. My phone is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, which fits. It's a tight squeeze, but it fits, and I can still put my essentials in there. So it's kind of like my test. If an item does not fit my phone, then I don't even bother getting it, just because I don't really like something that's not going to fit my essentials. Okay, and so you can use it crossbody, you can use it shoulder, but for the purpose of this one, I believe I'm going to use it more for crossbody, because I do like it. I do like it when I'm hands-free. There's a little slit right here, which you can put receipts, cash, card, whatever. Okay? All right. So there's that. There she is. So if you guys have any questions about anything, please don't forget to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.